Today we're going to be making these delicious sausage rolls. I want to show you how to make them. They are super delicious and I know they're a great party snack and something that you could serve at your Super Bowl party if you're having one of those. I also want to say thank you to my subscribers for getting me to over 800. Thank you so much. Alright, so to get started, in some olive oil, we're going to go ahead and cook our onion until it's golden and translucent. This is going to take you about 20 minutes. Do it over low heat, and then at the end you're going to throw in your garlic and your thyme, and just allow the garlic to get soft. Then you can take it off the stove and cool it. Once that's cool, in a large bowl you're going to add your sausage meat, breadcrumbs, grated carrot, and your cooled garlic, thyme and onion mixture. And then you're also going to add some barbecue sauce and Dijon mustard. Now you can go ahead and add salt and pepper. I found that I didn't need to, and these are always perfect. And then all you need to do is go ahead and mix that until everything's mixed through and combined. So you'll see that everything's nice and combined, and you want to just mix it until it's all combined. And then I rolled them into 8 balls because I'm going to go ahead and make 8 long rolls. Then we're going to roll that out into a sausage shape. And then we're going to fill our pastry. We're going to put those long rolls into our pastry. So I've got puff pastry here. I've got puff pastry sheets, so I've cut those in half. And then I'm just going to spread some egg wash, and that's just a beaten egg, across one strip of the pastry so that I can put one of those rolls on. Now what I did is I actually made my sausage roll about the same size as the pastry case, and then I just rolled it a little bit more on the actual pastry itself to make it fit the width of the pastry. So you'll see here I'm being a little bit finicky. You can do this, you can just pipe it on or just throw sausage meat on there, do whatever you like, but these are delicious. And don't forget, the written recipe is on my blog. The link is in the description. So you can go over there and print the recipe out so you can make these delicious things, and they're so easy. They're so easy to make. So once you've rolled out your, or once you've made your sausage roll, I'm just going to set them aside so that I can make all of them at once and then cut them out, as you'll see me do shortly. My mum's actually, after I gave her the recipe, actually decided to go ahead and make these, and she's just been making them because Dad loves them. And they're so easy. You can freeze them. I'll show you at the end that I've actually frozen mine, so you can make a batch of these up front, and then you can just stick them in the freezer and cook them whenever the kids want them, or when you want them for dinner, or it's a busy night. It makes it so convenient. So you can make these on a Saturday and then just have them in the freezer for whenever you want to use them, and they turn out perfectly fine. They're delicious. You just want to freeze them before you cook them. So you'll see me here, I'm actually cutting them up into mini sausage rolls. I mean, you can cut them as big or as small as you want. Mum usually cuts them a little bit bigger than what I do. Once they're all done and you want to go ahead and cook them, you're going to just stick them on a baking tray with some parchment paper and then brush the tops with a little bit of olive oil. And I wanted to make these a little bit bougie, so I sprinkled them with poppy seeds. And here's the ones that I'm putting in the freezer. I got about 38 in total, so they're the ones that are going in the freezer, and then I cooked up some for lunch. So I just stuck them in a preheated oven for about 20-25 minutes, and there we go. They're delicious. I serve them with a beautiful tomato chutney, or you can serve them with tomato sauce or any other condiment that you like. I hope you liked this video. I hope you decide to make these because they are absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let me know what your favorite party food is. I'll see you next time. Bye.